Welcome to Car Chronicles, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today we're diving deep into the luxurious world of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost, a vehicle that epitomizes opulence, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Ghost promises an unforgettable experience. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost maintains the iconic silhouette that has become synonymous with luxury, but with modern enhancements that give it a fresh appeal. Its majestic presence on the road is highlighted by a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a refined body that exudes elegance from every angle. The attention to detail is apparent, with the signature Spirit of Ecstasy ornament gracing the hood, a symbol of prestige and craftsmanship. As we move to the interior, prepare to be mesmerized. The cabin of the 2025 Ghost is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring the finest materials available. From sumptuous leather to exquisite wood veneers, every element is crafted with precision. The spaciousness of the interior allows for a serene atmosphere, ideal for both drivers and passengers. The ambient lighting creates a calming effect, while advanced noise cancellation technology ensures a peaceful ride, isolating you from the hustle and bustle outside. One of the standout features of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is its customizable options. Buyers can choose from an array of bespoke materials and finishes, making each Ghost unique to its owner. This level of personalization is what sets Rolls-Royce apart in the luxury segment. From custom stitching to tailored wood accents, you can design a car that truly reflects your personality and style. In terms of technology, the 2025 Ghost is equipped with state-of-the-art infotainment systems that provide seamless connectivity and entertainment. The large touchscreen display integrates navigation, audio, and vehicle settings, all easily accessible through a user-friendly interface. Additionally, the sound system is nothing short of extraordinary, delivering crystal-clear audio that transforms your driving experience into a concert-like atmosphere. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is powered by a robust V12 engine, offering a harmonious blend of power and refinement. This powerhouse delivers exhilarating acceleration while maintaining the smooth ride that Rolls-Royce is renowned for. The advanced suspension system further enhances the driving experience, adapting to road conditions in real time, ensuring that each journey is as comfortable as possible. Safety features in the 2025 Ghost are also top-notch, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems designed to protect you and your passengers. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, these technologies work together to create a secure driving environment. The Ghost not only prioritizes luxury but also ensures that safety is never compromised. For those who appreciate driving dynamics, the 2025 Ghost offers an impressive balance between performance and comfort. While it's designed to be the ultimate luxury vehicle, it also delivers a driving experience that is engaging and enjoyable. The steering is precise, and the car responds effortlessly to your commands, making it a pleasure to navigate through both city streets and winding country roads. A significant aspect of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost is its commitment to sustainability. Rolls-Royce has made strides in ensuring that their manufacturing processes are more environmentally friendly. From sourcing materials responsibly to implementing energy-efficient technologies in production, the brand is dedicated to reducing its ecological footprint while maintaining the highest standards of luxury. As we wrap up our review of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost, it's clear that this vehicle is not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. With its unparalleled luxury, advanced technology, and performance capabilities, the Ghost stands as a testament to what true craftsmanship means in the automotive world. It represents the pinnacle of luxury cars, offering an experience that few can match. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Ghost, don't forget to subscribe to Car Chronicles for more in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. Join our community of car enthusiasts and stay updated on everything from luxury sedans to high-performance sports cars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.